Hey guys, what's going on? This is Barefox back again to another video after a long time. And yep, in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reduce input lag for nvidia GeForce Now. And this is a problem for a lot of users out there who have been posting this type of comment earlier in my videos. So yeah, this video is for all of them. And again, there are some people telling me that they are facing a high wait time for playing these games. So yeah, I'll be making a video over that soon, but in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this problem for the input lag. So as you guys can see in the previous video, I've told you what settings that you should use in your GeForce Now, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually decrease the input lag. As told in the previous video that the input lag must be there for a little bit, but today I'm going to be fixing it through. Okay, so as you guys can see right over here, these are my current settings. I'm just going to close this app and go to my search bar, and I'm going to type now, and again I have to go to the file location and right click and open the file location. So once you are here, once you're in the file location of your computer, what you have to do is just locate the GeForce Now streamer JSON. Okay, this is the file that you need to open. You have to open with the notepad and hit OK. So you will open the stuff like this. Now what you have to do is do some changes in this text file that I'm going to be showing you guys. So first of all is the NVGFN accelerator. You have to put this on DX12. Then we have the NVSDL IOHID configurable. You have to put in true. This is one of the most important. And the NVSDL HDPI, you have to put this on true. Now these are all the settings that you have to do. Now what you have to do is just Ctrl S to save these files and then close it. Now go right click on it, go to properties, and in the attribute you have to go for read only. Hit apply and hit OK, and that should be done. Now you have to open up your nvidia GeForce Now, and again I'm just gonna give this a bit of time so it can open, as you guys can see right now. Now what you have to do is just go to your settings, and you will see the direct mouse input option is now enabled. What you have to do is just enable this thing on and get back, and you should be able to play your games pretty good. Okay, so this is Fortnite and I'm running it right now right in front of you guys to just give you a little bit of proof over that. So I know it will take a little bit of time to get into the game as a lobby, but let's wait till then. I'll meet you guys right in the game. Okay guys, so right now I'm playing Fortnite right in front of you. As you guys can see, it's GeForce Now and I'm launching my battle eye. So from right now onwards, I'm going to be showing you guys what is happening right on my screen. So yeah, there is no spotty connection, so there is no actual proof that I'm playing on GeForce Now, but I can just show you guys this thing. Okay, as you guys can see, right, Fortnite on GeForce Now, I'm playing over there. So sooner or later Fortnite will be starting, and I'm just going to be fast forwarding this stuff just because you guys should not say that I'm playing actually on my computer. I'm actually playing on GeForce Now guys, and I'm going to be giving you the proof of the no input lag, the absolute zero input lag right in GeForce Now. Okay, Okay, so guys, you can see we are back in Fortnite, and I'm just gonna go and play a quick creative game. we are at competitive settings, as I told you previously, the same settings that I have shown in the previous video. There is no changes in that. But let's just quickly drop into a game of creative and let's see what our game actually looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it is how I move my mouse. So right, there is no input lag that I face. Actually, I'm not facing any input lag right now, just you guys can see. I'm just gonna start a game. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to do leave a like, hit that subscribe button. We'll meet you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching Barefox, and bye.